Hello, my name is Matthew Dark, and this is my project review walkthrough for cross-platform mobile development week 4. This week it was similar to last week, and I'll go ahead and start with the rubric here. App allows updating of user-restricted data on the parse server via custom user input. The app user interface is always up to date with server information. App meets all requirements of the good column, and data is of at least 2 different types. The app UI is always up to date with server information, and users' data is restricted to that user using parse access control list. So we can see we have 2 scriptures here. If I was to enter a different user, we would see that that was only accessible to that user using parse access control list. Okay, and so the custom user interface here to update info, I can change it. Oh, first let's look on the parse here, and we have the new entry and the deleted ones were deleted, and the new one added. So we can change this. And it updates consistently throughout the app and the back end here. App restricts user input based on data expected in all instances. App contains good user interface feedback to inform the user when improper or incomplete data has been entered. App meets all requirements of the good column, and input is validated in such a way that only the proper data types are possible, and app validates data using more than one technique. Note that data validation provided by parse API do not count toward your total. Okay. So in both instances of adding and updating, we can see if we just enter anything and try to update, it'll say the book field is incorrect. Please enter a valid book. So, and also in the number field, it'll tell you chapter verse field incorrect. Please enter a valid chapter verse example, and it provides an example of the format of the pattern here. Application detects the network status. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any type of network detection or synchronization going in my app. Data is displayed appropriately based on user selections. All user interface views and elements necessary to allow for CRUD functionality and proper navigation are present, functional and intuitive. App user interface updates automatically on CRUD functions. Also, I forgot to mention, without internet, we can still use the app and save in the data store. And it updates with no internet. Also, we can restart the app, and it goes back into the same thing, so it saves it. And also, when we turn our Wi-Fi on, it updates. So we can go back here and refresh and see that our new data has been updated. But anyways, that's all I have for this week, and I will be spending time on figuring out how to implement the internet connection detection. Thanks for watching my video.